Progress Flowmon has released a technical integration with Dell PowerScale to leverage its ability to detect threat actor presence early and to respond by prohibiting access to the valuable data stored on PowerScale. Flowmon Anomaly Detection System leverages intelligent algorithms and detection methods to conduct machine learning, measure adaptive baselines, study heuristic techniques, analyze behavioral patterns, and inspect against reputational data to detect and respond to threat actor presence early with the forensic evidence needed to stop an attack in its tracks. Through our ability to execute custom actions at the detection of an anomalous event, Progress Flowmon has published an integration with Dell PowerScale that can detect anomalous activity within the networks that have access to PowerScale and define deny firewall rules that will prevent a threat actor's ability to access PowerScale storage even before the threat actor is able to discover the storage on the network. Now, let's see the integration in action. This is the Flowmon Anomaly Detection System Analysis Overview, which summarizes all anomalous activity within monitored networks that have access to PowerScale. I defined a data feed here, which is populated with PowerScale's access network traffic. A custom perspective is created to define priority to detection methods as they pertain to PowerScale threat detection. The Flowmon PowerScale script is downloaded from the Flowmon integration support page and imported to Flowmon. Parameters are defined, and we configure the script to trigger on events labeled high priority or above. Having a look at the PowerScale firewall configuration, you can see that we duplicated the existing default policy and renamed it Flowmon ADS. This is the policy Flowmon will be automatically editing. Under network configuration, the policy needs to be added to the desired pool. Hopping onto my Linux server, you can see its IP is 10.67.53.142. Firstly, let's exhibit the ability to successfully mount a directory on PowerScale. Here you see it was successfully mounted, and we will unmount. I'm going to mimic a discovery phase attack by using Nmap to run a chaotic TCP SYN scan on the network, which has access to PowerScale. We see that Flowmon, as a result, has triggered two events. Notably, it has detected the TCP SYN scans, and as this is a high-priority event, the integration action should have been triggered. Shifting back to PowerScale, we can see that Flowmon added a new firewall rule blocking access to the storage for the Linux server. Flowmon also added in the rule description timestamps and event information along with an event ID. If we have a look at the event in Flowmon, all of the evidence required is highlighted so that a storage admin can investigate the occurrence and determine the best next steps. Validating that the storage is protected, we shift back to the Linux server and see that a new attempt to mount the PowerScale directory is unsuccessful, eventually timing out. Thank you for watching.